Hi guys, how are you? And thank you very much because as you can see, this channel just hit 7,600 subscribers, and I also have few members that are already registered to make this channel grow. So this channel is growing thanks to you for your fidelity. You are with me every Friday when we go live from 6 p.m. until around 7 p.m. to talk about car design talk, everything that can be really interesting for you to know after after the sketching stage, but a lot of about the insights, news and information, and also all the tutorials that I make for you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Stick with this channel, and if you're new, subscribe. Thanks.